मैं हूं रज़ा अब्दी, आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज़। मौजूद है बहरीन में। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं ब्यूटीफुल आइलैंड, यहाँ पर कौन नहीं जानता कि बहरीन में कितनी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं। यहाँ पर लॉट ऑफ टूरिस्ट आते हैं पूरी दुनिया से। आज हम मौजूद हैं मिस्टर याह्या, इनसे समझते हैं कि इनको कैसा लगता है और पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी का कितना किरदार है यहाँ पर। आइए मिलते हैं मिस्टर याह्या से। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. How are you?
Fine. Just explain yourself to the people watching you on PakNews.
Okay, Muhammad Yahya Murad. Actually, I'm the chairman of laborers of BatelcoFree, and also I am the vice president of Bahrain Voluntary Society. As well, I am the general secretary of Arab Youth Council, which looks after 52 countries, and also I was one of the ex-parliament nominated for Bahraini parliament.
So what is activity for the volunteers you're talking about? Do they cover the event? They go and give services to the events?
Actually, volunteers here in Bahrain, majorly, they look after everything for the voluntary. Actually, today volunteers are really educated and really knows what the things to do as in a volunteering. And in the events, yes, sure. Today we managed to have a big number of volunteers in all the events happening here in Bahrain, starting from the Formula one of the biggest events goes in Bahrain. A lot of volunteers work on these events, and a lot of major events in Bahrain. Volunteers are really covering these events, to be honest, here in Bahrain, because the concept of volunteering is in every person, every youth, every adult, and even the kids as well today. They know what's the volunteering and they would like to be a part of it.
Bahraini people talk about what is the specialty in Bahrain. As the museum is very nice here, or some other historical things are in Bahrain?
Oh, there is a lot of historical things. Bahrain is a nice island, and Bahrain have a lot of historical things because Bahrain is one of the old countries. If we'll go to one of the very historical, and I'll say it very fast, is Tree of Life, which is Shajarat al-Haya, one of the historical things. And we have a lot like the fort, Qal'at al-Bahrain, Qal'at Arad, and we have many and many other things in historical, because we have been for Bahrain. We have the Hadarat like Awal and Dilmun and all the names of Bahrain. So
the Pakistani community in Bahrain, how is you looking after them? Do you think that activity is happening here? Some film stars, some singers, some drama artists are coming to Bahrain, or do you like them?
Yeah, actually, if we'll talk about the Pakistani community, first of all, Pakistani community has been as Bahrain today, a country who's welcoming everyone. So everyone in Bahrain feel home. Whoever was we don't look to the people, the expats, as they are not Bahrainis. No, we look to everyone in this land who's living with us as a Bahraini, because we're sharing our life with everyone. We don't look to the nationalities. And regarding the things which I like in Pakistan, yes, singing or singers are one of the best people really like here in Bahrain. Yes.
Finally, we'll be happy to know that the food of Arabic food. What sort of food you think you like and you love to have that?
And Arabic food, actually, we love the rice, aish, and one of the things we both will like it is biryani. You know, biryani is having a concept in Pakistan, and we have our Arabic biryani, but we can merge both. But yeah, really, we have the Arabic dishes like ghuzi, machboos, and salunat laham, all of these things. And you guys, I think the Pakistanis love it as well, because we both love eating rice.
Finally, Pak News covering you first time in Bahrain. The message for the viewers who are watching you, they should watch this event or Pak News, or subscribe or like, or what is your wish for them?
Yeah, please, I wish everyone to give a like and subscribe to this channels. And thank you for you guys having me today in this short interview. Actually, I've been not ready for it. He just asked me for getting me an interview, and this always the Pakistanis shock me and everywhere, but they are nice and I love them.
Thank you very much giving. इन्होंने कहा कि बहुत खूबसूरत मुल्क है यहाँ पर बहरीन, और इसमें आइलैंड में बहुत से लोग आते हैं और इनको पाकिस्तान से भी बहुत मोहब्बत है। कैमरामैन आसिम के साथ रज़ा अब्दी, पाक न्यूज़ बहरीन।
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज़।